Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I just got a quick show you how you can repass your laptop battery. I've got a laptop which is battery absolutely die, is even not charging and is not wrong. Actually it's wrong. How you can test it is a battery fault. So easy, just take off the battery, plug the power supply, and once you plug in the power supply and the laptop is switching on, it's mean your battery is faulty. How to fix your battery? It's not easy, but it's possible. You need to remove your battery, open it, which is very hard. I already opened it. Sorry, I forgot the recording, but it's taking me time. I make a little damage, but I can still use later on and close it properly. And this is all battery from inside, which is looks like this, yeah. And this is the battery original one. I measure all of the battery one by one, and 4 of them is giving the 0, 2 of them is giving 1.2 or to 1.6 volts. It's really bad. That means all of this battery is really bad. What you need to do or how to repair, you got the 2 options. First options is actually buy the new battery, buy the serial number or something like that, and replace all of them one by one. Or I've got a spare laptop. Where is the battery? I already opened it. It's damaged the laptop. It's not possible open without the damage, but I don't care because this is going to bin anyway. And this battery is actually good. I measure them and it's all fine. Now what I need to do is just resolder and put on the same place. Actually this doesn't look the same place, but they are on the same place. If you can see, it's a parallel and serial connection. It's always by 2 minus minus plus plus connecting to plus minus plus minus, and you got from the end is on the right side, another side, left side, that's on the end, and from the middle part is another checking point is here. And even this looks different, but it's the same. Look, these two, holding like this, these two is pair, yeah. These two is pair, this two is pair with like this, and there is the stickers, but these two is pair and these two is pair. It's actually the same connection, and also we got the left side connecting on here, right side is connecting over this cable here, and middle part is connecting here, another one here. That means what I will be just rearrange this one over here, use this connection. I just need to find it the exactly way how to solder it. Just solder them, put all together, and hopefully the battery will be working again. Like I said, even with the new battery, that's not a problem. Just buy the new one, or if you got a spare one, or from the old laptops you don't need, just use them. It's more easy, and just recycle them. And that's actually how you can repair the battery. Okay, hopefully you like it, these tips. Click like, subscribe, and see you later.